I'm Michael with Bryant Roofing. We're going to attempt to prepare a video for Mr. Ishikawa. Claim number 1159V924G. And the date is 6/5/24. We're going to attempt to repair this shingle here. We'll have to bust the seal on this shingle and 2 rows above it. And then, oh, you're gonna, I thought we stopped on that. All right, so I'm gonna bust the seal. Try not to damage the shingles. There we go. We found that sticking your hand up under the shingles and popping the fastener through the shingle is the easiest way to remove it without messing anything up. So we got just like that. So we've slid the shingle up back in place, and we're going to go ahead and we had to trim it down because it was in a standard size shingle. So we're going to go ahead and put the fasteners in with the State Farm approved roofing snake. And catch one on the other side. Alright, that one. These things are kind of aggravating. Alright, one on each side of the table. Got all the granule loss on that one right there. You see it creasing here and creasing over there. Get a close up on it. Even on this corner here from the removal. This thing is old and brittle. So at this point, based on the creasing amount of granules that are just coming off this thing, yeah, I mean, that's a fail. Alright, I'm going to point out all the granules that are in here next to the pitch hopper that came from just doing the repair.